Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Third video today, Algorand, because, sorry, not Matic, because people have been spamming my comment section about Matic, so I thought I should give you a break, and they haven't been spamming, but from time to time there is like, hey man, do the video about Matic, it's going to the moon. So this is the reason why you guys want me to do Matic, these two candles over here. That's how much is that? That's 1200%. So you probably bought hit at the top, I'm guessing, so you want to know what's happening, and we're gonna do that. Anyways, let's get into chart. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always. Look very nicely. So basically this over here, so this started actually when we broke these bottoms over here. We can look at this monthly, we can look at the weekly as well up here, I think. Something like this. You can see here, once we broke this and we retested, we started going up. So this is over, and everybody wants to see, hey man, what's happening now? What's happening now? Now we went up 1200%. What's happening now? Well, first of all, people are taking profits. Like if you had Matic down here and it went up 12x, you're gonna take profits. You're gonna take some cash out, you know. So that's just natural, but I don't know if it's time yet, how far this is gonna go, you know. So there are some very nice lines over here. We can start with this over here that's been working as a nice support. Now you can also go and say that this one is now actually in play, this one over here, something like this, and then we are actually breaking it here. Maybe we are not, it all depends, but this isn't the line that I like. I like actually this line over here. They go something like this because it uses support, resistance, support there, so it's nice line. It's parallel line. Then you got also probably something like this, also parallel line up here, something like this. So that might be the next channel or something like that, but doesn't matter. Right now we are interested in what's happening here, and the thing is we got one channel up, and we are trading in the range now, so we want to see what's gonna happen now. So I'm gonna show you something on the RSI, on the MACD. I'm gonna show you some moving averages that are nice. We can start with moving averages and with the lines, and we're gonna first look at these four moving averages: 20, 50, 100, 200 moving average, and you can see that it's right now getting down to the 20 moving average to get support. But one important moving average on the daily, that's this 10 moving average that's been holding it in uptrend, 10 and 20, right? And 10, and now it's looking as it's gonna have a 10, 20 also support over here, but it almost tried to break it, got back above it, and still it's green and it's pushing upwards, so that's bullish. So that's looking very good. So on daily, moving average is looking very nice. You have to be careful because on the weekly, you know, the 10 moving average is all the way down to 0.09, you know. So some kind of consolidation or some have to happen, because it just too extended from the 10 from the very fast moving average, 10 moving average. So you know, price went too high too fast, so some kind of consolidation has to come. When it's gonna happen, not quite sure. Not gonna happen today, I think. But there's also this RSI hidden bullish divergence. It's very nice, basically. So basically you can see these three bottoms over here. Let me do it like this. These three bottoms over here, right? There are higher lows all the way, right? But here are three bottoms going all the way down, like down, and every one of these is a hidden bullish divergence, which means price going further up. So this should actually go further up, right? So this is actually quite bullish for the price movement, and this should continue moving up. Just looking at this, because this first was the first was regular divergence, so the price was supposed to go down, and it did go down, and the RSI went down as well, right? And then you got this after that you got this hidden bullish divergence. That was this part over here, right? And then the price RSI and the price should go up because you got RSI hidden bullish divergence. Then after that you got this you didn't get the divergence over here. It was just normal price movement, but you still got this pullback down, and now you got again this hidden bullish divergence with lower lows on the RSI and higher highs on the price, and we are expecting therefore the price to move higher, right? So let me just clean this up a little bit and show you here. That's this part over here that's actually saying that we are bullish right now still on it. So people might be looking at MACD and say, yeah, man, MACD is gonna get cross tomorrow, and it's gonna you know, that's assumption. That doesn't mean it's gonna happen tomorrow. This is daily. It's the moving average is lying on the signal line, right? And all of this just has to continue going upwards, and there will be no cross. There will be no bearish cross over here. It can just continue upwards. So right now the price doesn't seem bearish. It doesn't seem that it hit any kind of top, not the way I can see it right now. Because although the entire move, it looks like you got RSI divergence, these two tops, the latest two tops, don't have any divergence. Because if you zoom in on this over here, this goes up as well, right? So there is no RSI divergence there. So in the last part there is no RSI divergence, but there is actually hidden bullish divergence, because the RSI going up and the price going, RSI going down and price going up, hidden bullish divergence. So the way I see it, Matic, I don't think this has stopped out just yet. I think maybe it has one more leg up or something like that. But you have to be careful, because it went up like 1,200%, like 12 times 13. How much is that, right? So people naturally want to take the profits and stuff like that. When is gonna that happen? Is that gonna happen now or this week or not? Are we gonna get some pullback or not? We have to watch. What I would be watching for is this 20 moving average. First of all, if 10 starts to break, I would look for 20 moving average, and if 20 moving average starts breaking and this line over here at 0.16, the previous resistance, starts breaking on the way down, I'll be looking like prices at 0.12, 0.1 and stuff like that, right? But you are bullish as long as it keeps the 10 moving average up here, right? As long as it can keep the 10 moving average, and even if it breaks it, then you can watch for support on 20. But the 20 should be actually the last line of support, because you're already overextended. So how much are you gonna let it fall down? I mean, if you're hodling, just hodl. You know, this bull run is not over yet. But how do you put this easily? What's the next price move of this? You just have to see that it holds the 10 moving average. That's it. Just see that it holds 10 moving average. Let's look at the 4 hour. Even the 4 hourly moving averages look nice. Even the 4 hourly look, because it was below, it went down to find the support at, even though it didn't hit the 100 moving average, I would call this the support on the 100 moving average. It jumped all the way up to this 20 and 50 moving average and 10 moving average. It's above all the averages. So if it now keeps these moving averages, starts to keep going upwards, I would be very bullish on it. So you still have to look at it a little bit, but it looks good. It looks good right now. It looks good until it doesn't look good anymore, and right now it looks good. So keep that in mind. And now you subscribe to the channel. That's how these things goes. I make the video, you subscribe to the channel. I make the video, you like the video. I make the video, you write down in the comments. Stuff like that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.